What's up guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you a different way to make a shit ton of money in meme coins, because most people are doing it completely wrong. If you're tired of losing money every single day by trading meme coins, or you want a brand new strategy that is consistently profitable, stay with me bro, because you do not want to miss this video. Most people trade meme coins and try to make a living from that, but I found a brand new strategy that is way more profitable and way more consistent when it comes to making some money, and that is by deving meme coins. Watch closely, I would do a full strategy breakdown. Nowadays bro, trading is completely dead. I lost a lot of fucking money by trading. Now most people end up losing a bunch of money in meme coins because they trade instead of launching, and that's the truth. They buy in, right, and eventually the dev will completely sell on them and they will lose their entire position. That is why advanced traders and major KOLs in the crypto space are moving and switching to deving. It's low risk and high reward, and it's actually enjoyable when you launch your own meme coins. But when you trade meme coins bro, it's miserable and it plays a huge toll on your emotions. You are basically funding the devs with your money when you trade. But when you launch bro, you are the dev and you control everything. The process is simple. You launch a coin, you wait for buyers to buy in, and then eventually when the market cap is high and when you are ready to cash out, you take your position out. Deving has become the new meta because it costs literally $0 to create a meme coin on chain. Now when people decide to launch their first meme coin, almost everyone defaults to Pump.Fun. It's the most well-known option, so it feels like the most obvious choice, but that is where things go wrong. Because Pump.Fun is flooded, new tokens are created non-stop, and most of them are dead within minutes. If you are still launching on this launchpad, you are not really building, you are just hoping for a quick viral coin. Now, and it gets even worse, Pump.Fun controls your liquidity and they skim a portion of that creator fees. That's exactly why I do not launch here, because you are never fully in control of your own project. And as a dev, the real mission is getting your token in front of Raydium fucking traders, where actual volume and buyers exist right here. On Pump.Fun, reaching that point takes patience, luck, and way too many failed attempts. That's exactly why I switched to CreateCoins.io. It is an external launchpad on Pump.Fun. This launchpad removes all that friction and your token goes straight to Raydium instantly, which will be immediately migrated, bypassing the slow middle steps, so your coin will be exposed to active traders right away and gives you a serious advantage over everyone else. And most importantly, you own your own liquidity completely, and that is why people do not talk about this launchpad openly. Now here's how to make a meme coin on this launchpad, CreateCoins.io. There are two different ways to launch a token here, and it's up to you to choose which one. The first method is creating a coin from scratch. This is where branding comes in. You start by finding a strong narrative, so go on X, go on Reddit, go on Google News, anything, right, and look for a narrative that could be viral, like a viral tweet, a political news, a meme, or anything that is getting attention right now. Once you have that narrative bro, you can come back to CreateCoins.io, choose a name, pick a quick ticker symbol, upload a logo, and just like that bro, after these steps, just like that, your custom coin is live. But if you want the fastest and the most profitable option, there is a second method, and that's by copying trending coins. Now these are coins that are going viral and putting in massive numbers of buyers on Pump.Fun. That means the hype is already there, the attention is already there, and the volume is already there. So when you copy one coin right here, you are not guessing, you are plugging directly into an existing trend, which gives your copy instant transactions, immediate volume, and a much higher chance of profits. Both methods work, but copying coins is a cheat code. Alright guys, let's stop talking and let's head straight to the point. I will be copying a coin and we will see how much we make in profits by the end of this launch when I dump it. Anyways, make sure your Phantom White is connected, then click on refresh, and let's look for a coin to copy. I will honestly, bro, just copy the Zero Bro coin. It has by 3 seconds ago, and it has a tele. Let's see if it's, oh, it's active. Okay, click on create coin, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, boom, confirm, and then the coin will be copied in a couple of seconds, bro. Just give it some time. Boom. If I go on SoScan just for some proof for you guys can see that the website actually works. It is launched, it's on chain, and now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this screen is where we activate trading by adding liquidity to Raydium, okay? It's really fucking easy. There's 2 simple steps. For the amount token A, just click on 90%. That is gonna drop 900 million tokens from the whole billion supply into the coin. You are keeping 10%. Right under for the token B, think of this as your initial buy-in inside your own coin. You are not losing funds here, they're just locking the pool to open it after. You only need 0.3 SOL and you'll recover it back when you remove the liquidity later. So in general, okay, it's just a first buy-in, but since you own the coin, you will get it back later. So it's basically like it costed $0, okay? Put 0.32 SOL, then click on create pool. I put a bit more just to be safe. Then click on confirm. Then when you click on confirm, click on the refresh button, then scroll down, and boom, the Zero Bro coin is on live and your profits will show up all right here. Now if I click on the refresh button to see how much we're up after launch, you guys can see that we are up $130. It has been like around 5 to 10 seconds, bro. Like, it's actually fucking insane. Now click on Photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen, and now the coin is fucking live. Oh my fucking god, we're getting initial transactions in. Okay, we're already up like $200-300. Oh my god, bro, it's pumping. So many people are buying in. Oh my fucking god, this is why I love deving coins, bro, and this is why I highly encourage you guys to start deving, because bro, trading meme coins, you could lose all your money at once, but here we are just deving and waiting for people to buy in our coin. Okay, this coin costed us nothing to make, and look, it's fucking insane, bro. Like, we're already up like $500 right here. We are at the 1.8k market cap. Anyways, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to migrate. My bad. I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump, and when I am back, we are going to dump it to 0. Alright guys, I am back and we are at a 10k market cap basically after a couple minutes, which is not too shabby, right? And 2.7k in liquidity. Now it's time to make some money, right? So come back to CreateCoins.io, and obviously, bro, click on the refresh button, classic. And now, as you guys can see, we are up $1.65 thousand with a 10k market cap and 2.8k liquidity. And yeah, bro. Now click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money out of the coin, and as you guys can see, bro, we are going to receive around 13.4 Solana. Click on confirm, and bang, that's exactly how you cash out from your coin, bro. And you know what's crazy, bro? Sometimes your coin can go viral and you can make even more profits. Okay, now if I open my Phantom wallet, you guys can see that I just received the entire payout, $1.65 thousand in a matter of minutes, just like that, bro. And yeah, bro, it's a repeatable method. You can do this over and over again until you have your goals.